A GoFundMe has been created for a Kentucky farm that experienced major damage from historic flooding this month. On April 6th, Horse of Your Dreams in Edmonson County had experienced flooding from the Green River. All horses were safely evacuated, but the property sustained severe damage. The clubhouse flooded along with electrical systems, and fixtures were submerged underwater. Along with more damage, the farm is seeking $15,000 to help rebuild and bring the horses back. For a link to the GoFundMe, go to this story on our website, WBKO.com.